Hi again, I'm Trisha, Chief Product Officer at Pendo. From banking to healthcare to retail and even home improvement, companies across industries are turning to web and mobile applications to drive their customer experience, largely because customers expect to be able to engage with brands digitally. The companies that are most successful, though, have something in common. They put their product at the center of everything they do. In other words, they're product-led. In this module, I'll provide a look at the product-led organization and how AI can lead to transformational outcomes like increased growth, efficiency, and beyond. At the end of this module, you'll be able to identify the defining characteristics of a product-led organization, explain why AI tools are particularly impactful at product-led organizations, and integrate AI into your product-led practices and strategies.